Good morning, students. This is the revision class of your GK. Today I am revise chapter 9 World of Sports. My favorite subject, my favorite thing, sports. So first I explain. Take the correct option based question. Which of the following sports have featured in all the modern Summer Olympics held so far? There are three right answers: fencing, cycling, and gymnastics. The next, the sport of netball resembles netball, basketball. Trampoline is an Olympic event in which the participants are gymnasts. Which of the following are equestrian sports? Dresses, eventing, valuating. The next question. In lawn tennis, the four Grand Slam tournaments are Wimbledon, the French Open, the US Open, the Australian Open. Who among the following Indians have won titles in one or more of these? Sani Mirza. Next, in which Grand Slam tournaments there are no tiebreakers in the final set? Wimbledon, the right answer Wimbledon, French Open and Australian Open. Next, a tennis player completes a Grand Slam by winning on the four Grand Slam tournament in a single calendar year. A gold medal at the Summer Olympics in the same year added to that makes a golden slam. This was first achieved by Steffi Graf. The right answer is Steffi Graf. Next, which is India's oldest football tournament? It is also one of the oldest in the world. Durand Cup. Football Durand Cup. Shiva Keswan has been representing India at the Winter Olympics since 1998 when he first qualified as a 16-year-old. What is his event? Luz, L-U-G. The name of this sport means gymnast pole. The ancient Indian sport was revived in the early 19th century by Balam Bhatt Dada Devdhar, a physical instructor in the court of Peshwas of Maharashtra, named the sport Malkham. Malkham is a very ancient game of our India. Next, a test series in 1932-33 became infamous as the Bodyline series. In it, one team bowled at the body of the batsman in line with the leg stump, so that fended balls would often become easy catch for the ring of fielder placed on the leg side. This caused fielding restriction to be introduced. Pick the two teams, India. So this is a short explanation of your GK subject. All of you revise. Okay. Because GK is also your important subject. Thank you.